Hey cruisers, it's Carol from Solo Cruising and More. I just arrived in Venice, Italy, one of the most beautiful cities in the world, for my Mediterranean cruise on the Norwegian Sky. I've got one full day here before embarkation and we're going to make the most of it. All right, we are in Venice. Ooh. Sing a song. Woohoo! Waiting for the water taxi. Our flight was a total of 18 hours from Oklahoma. We touched down a little bit after 10 a.m. Venice time in the morning, and so definitely we were going to make the most of this day in Venice. I'm traveling with coworker friends this trip, Jamie, Gwen, Sandy, and Virginia I've worked with for 20 years. Roger and Steve are Gwen and Virginia's husbands, and Glenda is Sandy's friend. We've been planning this trip since January 20 of 24, so we've had plenty of time to plan this adventure. Venice is totally walkable, but the easiest way to get around is by the vaporetto. It's the water bus. It's affordable, it runs regularly, and it gives you amazing views of the canals. We took it from the airport to the closest spot to where our hotel was. And our hotel was only about a 4-minute walk. It probably felt like 15 because we had luggage, but it really was a 4-minute walk to our hotel. Of course, we had to start out in St. Mark's Square. It is everything you'd expect and more. We also stopped by the Rialto Bridge. We enjoyed some gelato. I think instead of gelato, I had an Aperol Spritz because I hadn't eaten. And we just wandered around the streets. It was just such an experience. Every corner looks like a painting. It really does. We're in Venice. We're in Venice.
I know. We're in Venice.
Venice is one of those places that feels like it shouldn't even be real. Even though I only had one day, it was enough to fall in love with the atmosphere, the architecture, and the way that life flows right along the water. The way the buildings are built on that water is just, when you're actually looking at it, it's truly astounding. I'm so glad I got to experience Venice. Yes. It's really happening. This is really happening. We are really on a gondola ride. Oh, it is? Under the bridge. We had a very lovely stay at the Casa Verada Hotel, which I'll feature in a separate video. Now it's cruise day. We are boarding our water taxi, which will take us to our ground transportation to Trieste, Italy, the cruise port. I booked it through My Tour Trieste. That company really took care of us 100%. It was about $60 €60 per person was the cost, and there were 8 of us. So that included the water taxi to the parking lot where the cars are parked, and then a 2-hour drive, well, a little bit, I think it was about an hour and a half, maybe an hour and 45-minute drive from Venice to Trieste.
There were people at the Tulsa airport. There were 4 stops on our airlines plane to stay overnight.
This is our taxi to our taxi. So on our way, we are moving and shaking.
We did not get a gondola ride.
I'm sorry. That's so sad.
Well, we were going to try your steak, but it just didn't.
You need
Everybody,
that.
smile, everybody.
We get our driver. See our driver?
No, I'm getting you.
Awesome. Oh, hey! There you go. Look at. He's handsome too. God, we've got a good-looking driver. Mwah!
Good way to butter on that.
I was going to try to. I figured sure we'll pass some, but everyone we passed, they want like 90
We're
bucks
all
a person.
together. All 8 of us.
We got ours canceled. We got our money back.
We've had
because
some
we
trembling,
canceled it.
you know,
It had
faux pas,
canceled in
but it's
24 hours,
okay
so we
because
did.
it's
But
cruise day.
the other
All right. Woo. Here with Solo Cruising and more. We are on our European adventure. We're here in Venice on our way to, okay, we're on our way to catch our transfer to Trieste. It's going to be raining a little bit here. I see the clouds are coming in, so it's going to be raining. But we booked this through, I'll give you the details. We booked it through Tour Trieste, and so it is a transfer from Venice, and we have a water taxi right now, and then he's going to take us to the actual automobile that's going to take us to the cruise port. So we should be there in the cruise port. We should be at the cruise port probably about 11 o'clock today. So I'm just tuning in, let you know I've been having so much fun on this little boat, on this little speedboat, the water taxi. And this is just, this is it for me. This is just great for me. So this is a way to wake up. This is better than coffee. Better than coffee. All right, bye. Today, we are boarding the Norwegian Sky to begin our 10-day Greek Isle and Mediterranean cruise. And I cannot wait to take you guys along with me. If you ever sail from Venice or nearby Trieste, I recommend spending at least one night before your cruise. It's the perfect way to start your trip. Thanks so much for coming along with me in Venice. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because next up, we're boarding the Norwegian Sky and I'm sharing the full overview of my 10-day Greek Isles cruise.